Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Steps. I'm Michael.
And I'm Olivia. Hello, hello. How are you today, Michael?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today is special. We have something really useful for beginners.
That's right. Today, we're going to practice 50 simple English conversations.
50 conversations? That sounds like a lot, doesn't it?
Don't worry, they're all very short and easy, perfect for A1 and A2 learners.
These are real dialogues that you can use every day, at home, at work, at school, everywhere.
Exactly. Let's start with some basic greetings. These are very important.
Yes. Conversation number 1. Meeting someone for the first time.
Hello, my name is Tom. What's your name?
Hi, Tom. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
Perfect. That's conversation 1. Very simple, right?
Now, conversation 2, asking how someone is.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Conversation 4.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I like mornings.
Nice. Conversation 5. Talking about breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and drink coffee. How about you?
I eat eggs and fruit. Sometimes I drink tea.
Sounds healthy. Let's continue. Conversation 6 is about work.
Where do you work?
I work in an office. I'm a teacher. What do you do?
I'm a nurse. I work at a hospital.
That's great. Conversation 7. Talking about family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. Do you?
I have 2 sisters, no brothers.
Nice. Now, conversation 8. Asking about age.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old. What about you?
I'm 28.
Conversation 9. Talking about where you live.
Where do you live?
I live in New York. It's a big city. Where do you live?
I live in a small town near Boston.
Lovely. Let's do conversation 10. Asking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies. What about you?
I like to cook and listen to music.
That's nice. Now let's talk about shopping. Conversation 11.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
Good. Conversation 12. At a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'd like a sandwich and water, please.
Perfect. Conversation 13. Ordering coffee.
Hello, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please, with milk.
Great. Conversation 14. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the library?
Go straight, then turn left. It's on the right side.
Thank you so much.
Excellent. Conversation 15. Talking about the weather.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. Very nice.
Great, I love sunny days.
Me too. Now, conversation 16. Making plans.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the park. Want to come?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Wonderful. Conversation 17. Talking about languages.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. I'm learning. Do you speak Spanish?
No, but I want to learn.
Good. Conversation 18. At the doctor.
Doctor, I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a headache and a fever.
I see. Let me check. Please sit down.
Very useful. Conversation 19. Talking about transportation.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It's easy and cheap. What about you?
I drive my car.
Nice. Conversation 20. Asking about time.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. We've done 20 conversations already.
Yes, let's keep going. These are helping our listeners practice real English.
Absolutely. Let's continue with conversation 21, talking about pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. Do you?
I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Cute names. Conversation 22, at the gym.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week. What about you?
I go every day. I love exercise.
That's great. Conversation 23, talking about movies.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love action movies. What about you?
I prefer comedies. They make me laugh.
Nice. Conversation 24, at the bank.
Hello, I'd like to open an account, please.
Sure. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. Conversation 25, talking about sports.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis on weekends. Do you?
I play volleyball. It's fun.
Sounds good. We're halfway through. Let's continue with more conversations. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Okay, let's continue. Conversation 26, at the post office.
Hello, I need to send this package to London.
Sure. Do you want regular or express delivery?
Express, please. How much is it?
It's $35.
Great. Conversation 27. Asking about someone's day.
How was your day?
It was good, but I'm tired. How was yours?
It was busy, but nice.
Perfect. Conversation 28. Talking about favorite food.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. It's delicious. What about you?
I love Chinese food, especially fried rice.
Yummy. Conversation 29. Making appointments.
Can I make an appointment for tomorrow?
Yes, what time works for you?
2 o'clock is perfect.
Okay, see you tomorrow at 2.
Good. Conversation 30, at the hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation. My name is John Smith.
Yes, Mr. Smith, here's your key, room 205.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay. Excellent. Conversation 31, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I can't find the bathroom.
It's over there, next to the elevator.
Thank you so much.
Conversation 32. Talking about birthdays.
When is your birthday?
It's on June 15th. When is yours?
Mine is in December, on the 20th.
Nice. Conversation 33. At the pharmacy.
Hello, I need medicine for a cold.
I recommend this one. Take it twice a day.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $12.
Great. Conversation 34, talking about the weekend.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my parents. It was nice. What about you?
I stayed home and relaxed.
Sounds peaceful. Conversation 35, inviting someone.
Would you like to have dinner with me tonight?
Yes, I'd love to. What time?
How about 7 o'clock?
Perfect. See you then. Good. Conversation 36, talking about the future. What do you want to do next year?
I want to travel to Japan. What about you?
I want to learn a new language.
That's great. Conversation 37. At the library.
Excuse me, where can I find English books?
They're on the 2nd floor, section B.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy reading.
Wonderful. Conversation 38, talking about colors.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. It's calm and beautiful. What about you?
I like green. It reminds me of nature.
Nice choice. Conversation 39, at school. What subject do you like best?
I like history. It's interesting. What about you?
I prefer math. I like numbers.
Good. Conversation 40. Talking about music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop music. It's fun. What about you?
I listen to rock music. I love guitars.
Cool. Conversation 41. Expressing feelings.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm very happy. I got good news. Are you?
Yes, I'm happy too.
That's great. Conversation 42. Talking about seasons.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring. The weather's perfect. What about you?
I like autumn. I love the colors of the leaves.
Beautiful. Conversation 43. At the gas station.
Fill it up, please.
Regular or premium?
Regular is fine. Thank you.
Okay, that's $40.
Good. Conversation 44. Apologizing. I'm sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem.